Asia is a vast and incredible diverse continent, offering expats a wide range of living experiences, from bustling metropolises to tranquil islands. The best country depends on your priorities, whether you're seeking career opportunities, a low cost of living, or a specific lifestyle. Here are my top 5 Asian countries for expats, each with an own unique appeal. First, Singapore, the gold standard for professional expats. Singapore is a tiny city-state that consistently ranks amongst the top destinations for expats, particularly those in finance, tech, and other high-skilled industries. It's the gold standard for those prioritizing career and high quality of life. Expats love Singapore due to their high quality of life. Singapore boasts world-class infrastructure, a highly efficient public transport system, and a clean, green urban environment. The country is exceptionally safe with very low crime rates. This makes it an ideal place for families as well as single professionals. There are a lot of career and business opportunities. A major global financial and technology hub, Singapore offers an abundance of high-paying jobs and is incredibly business-friendly. It's a key regional headquarters for many multinational corporations. Additionally, Singapore has a very favorable tax system. The corporate tax rate is about 17%, but various incentives and schemes can reduce the effective tax rate for a lot of companies. Personal income tax is progressive, with a top rate at a good 22% for income over about $263 USD. There are no capital gains, inheritance, or estate taxes. This allows professionals to keep a significant proportion of their income to themselves. The biggest drawback of living in Singapore, as far as you can call it a drawback, is the high cost of living. It's also consistently ranking amongst the most expensive cities in the world for housing in particular. Also, imported goods can be quite pricey. Number 2 on the list is Malaysia, affordable and culturally rich country. Malaysia offers a fantastic blend of modern amenities, cultural diversity, and an incredibly affordable cost of living. It's an ideal choice for expats looking for a comfortable lifestyle without the high price tag of places like Singapore or Hong Kong. Expats love Malaysia for their low cost of living. The cost of living in Malaysia is a major positive draw. From food to housing, your money goes a long way here. You can enjoy a high standard of living, including dining at world-class restaurants and living in spacious apartments for a fraction of the costs in Western countries. Also, Malaysia is a multicultural melting pot from influence from Malay, Chinese, and Indian cultures. This diversity is reflected in its delicious cuisine, vibrant festivals, and the fact that English is widely spoken, especially in major cities like Kuala Lumpur. Malaysia, of course, has a favorable tax system. Malaysia operates on a territorial tax system, which means expats are only taxed on income earned within Malaysia. Foreign-sourced income remitted to Malaysia is not taxable. This is a huge benefit for remote workers or those with international investments. The personal income tax rate is a progressive, with a top rate of 30% for income over about 425,000 USD. While English is common, learning some Malay is definitely beneficial for day-to-day life and integrating with locals. Traffic in major cities like Kuala Lumpur can be challenging, and while the visa process is manageable, it can be quite bureaucratic. Third on the list is Thailand, the land of the smiles. For a laid-back life, known as the land of the smiles, Thailand is a perennial favorite for expats, retirees, and digital nomads seeking a relaxed, affordable, and vibrant lifestyle. Its stunning landscapes, from the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Phuket, offer a wide range of experience. Expats love Thailand because of the affordability. The cost of living in Thailand is exceptionally low, allowing for a high quality of life on a modest budget. Fresh, delicious street food is widely available and cheap, and local transportation is also very affordable. Thai people are also known for their hospitality and friendly demeanor. This makes it easier for expats to feel at home and integrate into the local community. There are also large expat communities in cities like Bangkok and Chiang Mai. Excuse my pronunciation, by the way. Also taxation. Thailand's taxation is favorable for expats. However, it does require careful planning. Income is generally taxed only if it is remitted to Thailand in the same year that it was earned. This means that if you're a digital nomad earning money from a foreign source and do not bring the income into Thailand until the following tax year, it can be exempt. The personal income tax rate is progressive, with a top rate of 35% for income of over about 1,040 USD. Navigating the tax system can be complex, and it's essential to have correct visa for your situation. While English is spoken in touristic areas, a language barrier can exist in the more rural areas. The political situation can also sometimes be a bit unstable. Fourth on the list is Taiwan, high-tech and sometimes just a tad underrated, because Taiwan is often overlooked in favor of its more famous neighbors. However, it is a fantastic destination for expats. It offers a unique blend of modern technology, traditional culture, and stunning natural beauty, all wrapped in a safe and welcoming package. Expats love Taiwan because of its safety and infrastructure. Taiwan is one of the safest countries in the world. It has an excellent modern infrastructure, including a highly efficient public transport system and world-class healthcare. The world-class healthcare is both affordable and accessible. Taiwan is also a tech and innovation hub. Taiwan is a global leader in the technology sector with a booming economy driven by innovation. This creates numerous job opportunities for expats in tech and related fields. It also has affordable living. Compared to other East Asian hubs like Singapore and Tokyo, the cost of living in Taiwan is very reasonable. Housing, food, and the daily expenses are quite affordable. The language barrier can be a significant challenge, as English is not as widely spoken as in, for example, Malaysia or Singapore. While the tax system generally is reasonable, it is not as explicitly favorable as some others in the list. The personal income tax is progressive, with a top rate of 40% for income over about 140,000 USD. Last on the list is South Korea, a blend of tradition and modernity. South Korea has rapidly emerged as a top expat destination, especially for those in tech, automotive, and the entertainment industry. It is a country of stark contrasts, where ancient temples stand alongside futuristic skyscrapers. Expats love South Korea because of its high-tech society. South Korea is at the forefront of technology and innovation. It has some of the fastest internet speeds in the world, and its cities are incredibly modern and efficient. This makes it a seamless transition for a lot of experts. It has excellent healthcare and good transportation. South Korea's national healthcare system is highly regarded and provides comprehensive, affordable care. The public transport system, including the metro and buses, is clean, safe, and incredibly reliable. It also has a vibrant culture, from K-pop to K-dramas, and also rich history and stunning natural landscape. South Korea really offers a unique and exciting cultural experience. The food scene is dynamic, and there's always something new to explore. The cost of living, especially in cities like Seoul, can be high, with housing becoming a significant expense. The world culture can be demanding, with long hours and a hierarchical structure that may be difficult for expats to adjust to. Additionally, there is a language barrier because you will have to speak a word of Korean. The personal income tax is progressive, with a top rate of 45% for income above 740,000 USD. And that wraps up the top 5 destinations in Asia. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out.